Alright. Yo, what up, everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube, Twitch, Kick, and Rumble channels. Make sure you guys subscribe and follow. All links are in the About section if you guys want to look at the other channels and subscribe, follow there too. Alright. Let me make sure mic is on, desktop audio is on, and we're going to continue going through the Python chapter. We're on chapter 3, lesson 1, functions of Python. And let me switch the view so you guys can see. Now the chat, if the chat ends up bothering you guys, let me know in the comments or live in the chat. Let me know and I'll remove it. Other than that, I'll keep it on until it starts bothering people. Okay. Let's see, where am I? Okay. Let's put on some oldies. Alright. Okie dokie. Alright, functions. Functions allow us to reuse and organize code. For example, say we have some code that calculates the area of a circle. The radius equals 5. Area is 3.14 times the radius times the radius. That could also be diameter, but whatever. That works. The problem excuse me. The problem is when we want to calculate the area of other circles, each with its own radius, we could just copy the code and change the variable names like this. Radius equals 5. Area 1 equals 3.4 times radius. And then radius 2 equals 7. Area 2 equals 3.14. Radius 2 times radius 2. But we want to reuse our code. Why would we want to redo our work? What if we want to calculate the area of thousands of circles? That's where the functions help. Instead, we can define a new function called area of the circle using the def keyword. So definition def area underslash of underslash circle r pi equals 3.14 result equals pi times r. Return the result. So let's break the area of the circle function down. It takes one input, aka parameter or argument called r. The body of the function is indented. This is the code that we run each time we use aka call the function. It returns a single value. The output of the function in this case is the value stored in the result variable. To call this function, fancy programmers speak for the use this function. Alright, we can pass in any number as the argument, in this case 5 for the parameter r, and capture the output into a new variable. Area equals area of circle 5, so we set it to 5. Print area, commented 78.5. 5 goes in as the input of r. The body of the function runs, which stores 78.5 in the result variable within the function body. 3. The function returns the result variable, which means that the area of the circle 5 expression evaluates to 78.5. 4. 78.5 is stored in the area variable and then printed. Because we've already defined the function, now we can use it as many times as we want with different inputs. Alright, so area equals area of the circle, 6. So we could change basically this right here. Print area. Alright, so print this function. Or, yeah. It should equal 113.04. Area equals area of circle. For 7, print the area. It's 153.86. Alright. So for this assignment, we need to calculate the size of a weapon's attack area with 1.0 meter sword. Alright, for a 1 meter sword, for example, a player can attack in an area of 3.14 square meters around them. You can use the area of the circle function. You can use the area of the circle function to do that calculation. Fix the bug on line 13. Alright, so let's go to line 13. By calling area of a circle function with the sphere length as input and store the result in the sphere area variable. Alright, so don't touch above the line or below this line. Alright, let's see the fix the bug on 13. Calling the area of the circle function. Alright. So this is being called with the sphere length as input. Alright. So replace the sword with spear. Alright. Spear area equals 0. Store the result in the spear area variable. I think that's all. Sword length is 1 meter, sword attack area 12.56 square meters, spear length is 2 meters, the spear attack area is 0 square meters. Alright. No? It says try again. So I can't touch anything below this line or above this line. Area of the circle. Alright. Bug on line 13. Alright, so we only changed line 13, so this one is sword area. Alright, I fucked up. Alright. Spear area equals spear length. Spear length is oh, duh. Okay, so I'm kind of copying the top area of the circle, and then I'm putting here spear length. So spear length, and then that should be it right there. Duh. Okay, I'm stupid. Would you like many viewers? Let's make you popular. No, thank you. I mean, yeah, I'm not gonna do any of those solicitor things. Alright. Let me pause this real quick. Alright, and then we're gonna play this. So function review. Functions are tricky. It takes a minute to get used to them, but after that they'll be second nature to you. Let's see. You might find yourself slowing down a bit in this chapter, and if you do, that's totally normal. Alright, let's play this video.
Functions are the building blocks of real-world applications. They make it so we can reuse the code that we write, and they help us organize our code into smaller pieces so that it's all easier to keep track of. Let's take a look at this example, a function that calculates the area of a circle. It takes the radius of a circle as input, in meters, we'll be using the metric system for this example, and when it's done, it will return the area of the circle, in meters squared. Here's the code that defines the area of circle function. If all we do is define the function, it won't actually do anything. We have to call the function in order for it to execute. Let's call it with a radius of 5 as the input. Now, when the function is called, execution jumps back to the function definition. A new variable that's only available inside the function, called pi, is created with a value of 3.14. Next, we save the result of pi times r to a new variable called result. The area of a circle is pi r squared after all. Finally, we return the result from the function as its output. Execution jumps back to the function call at this point, and we capture the return value in a new variable called area. And if we want to, we can just print it. The best part is that we can then call it again with a different input, getting the associated output, and we can do it again and again and again as many times as we want.
Okay. Let's break down this function line by line so you can understand every nook and cranny of it. So def area of the circle is r, pi 3.14, result pi times r, return the result. Radius is 5, area equals area of circle, radius, print the area. Alright, so same stuff. Here's a chronological explanation of what happens when the above code is executed. Alright, so 1. Def area of circle R. The area of circle function is defined for later use but not called. It accepts a single input, the arbitrary named R. The body of the function, pi 3.14, etc. is ignored for now. I forgot to turn on my music. Radius equals 5. Alright, so a new variable called radius is created and set to the value 5. Area of the circle, radius. The area of the circle functions is called with radius. In this case is 5 as the input. Finally, we jump back to the function definition. Alright, so number 4, definition area of a circle R. We will now start executing the body of the function, and R is set to 5. Okay, so 5, pi is 3.14. A new variable called pi is created with the value of 3.14. 6, result pi times r. Some simple math is evaluated, 3.14 times 5, because that's what it was set up right here for the radius, and stored in the result variable. Then 7, return the result. The result variable is returned from the function as output. 8th, area equals area of the circle of the radius. The returned value is stored in the new variable called area. In this case, it's 78.5. And then the last step is print area. The value of the area is printed to the console. So everything that was said in the video. Alright, which happens first? Value is returned from the function. The function is called. The function is defined. This one right here. Alright, next. Function review. Functions are tricky. It takes a minute to get used to them, but after that, they'll be second nature to you. You might find yourself slowing down a bit in this chapter, and if you do, oh, okay, so it's the same stuff, right? Yep. Why is the variable called radius outside the function, but r inside the function? Because programming is needlessly hard and makes me want to cry sometimes? Nope. Because one of the value of the variable is passed to the function. It is then assigned to a new variable called r. That is this one. Because all variables are called R inside functions? No. Because all variables are automatically shortened to one letter inside functions? Nope. It's this one. Next. Alright, new stuff. Multiple parameters. Functions can have multiple parameters. Parameter being a fancy word for input. For example, this subtract function accepts two parameters a and b. So the definition of subtract is a, b, like two variables, whatever. Result is a minus b, return the result. Alright, it is the argument's position that determines which parameter receives it. At least for now, the first argument goes to the first parameter, second to the second, and so on. In this example, the subtract function is called with a equals 5 and b equals 3. Alright. Result equals subtract 5 and 3. Result is 2. Here's an example with 4 parameters. Definition: create / intro or introduction. Name, age, height, weight. So it has 4 different inputs or whatever. First part, your name is name, and you are age, and then years old. The second part, you are height, meters tall, and weight, plus the weight in kilograms. Alright, full intro, the first part plus the second part, then return the full intro. Alright, so then it's gonna return the whole text. It can be called like this: my name, my / name equals John, my / age equals 30. Intro equals create introduction, my name, my age, 1.880. Okay. Print intro. Your name is John and you are 30 years old. You are 1.8 meters tall and weigh 80 kilograms. Alright. The assignment: we need to calculate the total damage from a combo of 3 attacks. Complete the triple attack function by returning the sum of its parameters: damage /1, damage /2, and damage /3. The pass statement is a placeholder that does nothing. Replace it with your code. Alright. Says don't touch below this line right here. So we do it up here. We need to calculate total damage from a combo of 3 attacks. Damage 1, damage 2, damage 3 is right here. Triple attack, pass. Pass statement is a placeholder that does nothing. Replace it with your code. Alright, so we have to do some math here. Alright. So for example, let's see. Triple attack. By returning the sum of its parameters. Let's see. So we're just gonna return, I'm guessing. Return triple attack. Alright. And then we have to define, complete the triple attack function here. Damage 2, damage 3. We have to add. So alright. So we're defining triple attack here. Like here, create intro. There's a name, age, height, weight, and here there's this stuff down here. Damage 1, 2, 3. We need to return something. Alright, Complete the triple attack function by returning the sum of the parameters. I'm guessing we just put a plus here. Getting damage for 2, 4, and 3. Function triple attack at 0 points of damage dealt. So we... Are they already defined? Where's damage 1? No? This is the first triple attack. This is the second triple attack. I think I've not touched anything, but let's read everything. Attack 1 equals 2. Attack 2 equals 4. Attack 3. I'm looking at this over here on the right side, you guys. So attack 2 is 4. Attack 3 is 3. First triple attack damage equals triple attack. Attack 1, attack 2, attack 3.
It's the best of both worlds. Classic feels with a modern twist. Backroads, exclusively on Pandora. Tap now to listen.
Okay, so damage 1, damage 2. Oh! Okay, so let's enter here. So we're gonna have to do first part here. So let's see. Triple attack is damage 1, damage 2, and damage 3, but let's see. Actually, I think we could damage 1. This is the first one, this is the second. Attack 1, 2, 3. First triple attack damage is triple attack, attack 1. Plus attack 2, attack 3. Okay. We need to calculate the total damage from a combo of 3 attacks. Second, getting damage 4, attack 4. Attack 4, attack 5, and attack 6. Print triple attack damage. Print second triple attack damage. Points of damage dealt. Print this. Alright, so shit. Seems like someone forgot about the live chat. Nope. Wait, is it not turning on? Let me test it out. Yeah, it's working. Cat meow. Yo, how's it going? Oh, that's what you mean. Seems like someone forgot about the live chat. No, I'm just focused on trying to get this thing figured out. My bad. All right. Where was I? Okay, I gotta try not to get distracted. See, you already got me. Second triple attack. Okay, I can't touch below this line. Damage 1. Damage 2. Where's the third one? Alright, so printing getting damage for attack 4. Attack 4 is right here. Attack 5, attack 6. Second triple attack damage. Attack 5 is over here, and attack 6 is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 4, 5, and 6 is here. 1, 2, and 3 is up here. So the first 3, the second 3, the triple attack. Now I can't change anything down here. Oh, okay, so getting right here it says getting the damage for attack 4, 5, and 6. I think I have to set damage 1 as fine triple attack. Fuck. I'm getting confused here. I have to do addition, I'm pretty sure. Multiple parameters, functions can be used. Okay.
To 15-year-old Harper, buying an $80 vintage
This is for
rock t-shirt
text.
is a great investment.
This is for adding text
Harper's mom
together. I
used
need
logic
to do
with
math.
two holes in it. So she helped Harper open a Wells Fargo
Or
Clear Access
subtraction.
banking account. With no overdraft fees and tools to track spending, Harper's learning one heavy metal tee at a time.
Damage
However you
1
make money work,
doesn't
Wells Fargo can work with that.
Terms apply.
come out
Visit
anywhere.
wellsfargo.com/deposit disclosures for
So
details.
this and that has to be replaced, right?
November, BetterHelp is encouraging people to reach out, grab lunch with an old friend, call your parents, or even find support
Complete
in
triple
therapy.
attack function by
BetterHelp
returning
makes it easy with
the
its
sum
therapist
of the
management and over
parameters.
12 years of online therapy experience.
Oh,
Managing
okay,
members
so
will
I'm
solve
guessing
And just like that lunch with an old friend, once you do reach out, you'll wonder
sum
why didn't I do
equals
this sooner? Start now at betterhelp.com/pressplay for 10% off your first month.
let's see. So I'm gonna have to put def sum equals to okay. But why is there damage 3? How do I get? I can't. Can I? I'm wondering if I could change this. I can't change anything down here. Fuck. Alright, so define sum as damage 1 plus damage 2 plus damage 3. That's what I'm thinking. Um, is it as simple as doing this? Paste, remove that. I'm wondering if it's just as simple as doing that. Alright, def sum, define sum equals damage 1 plus damage 2 plus damage 3. Return triple attack. So I'm returning triple attack, and triple attack is damage 1, 2, and 3. Shit, I don't think I'm doing it right. File execute line 16 in module. File string line 2 define sum damage 1 plus damage 2 damage 3.
Here's my story, it's sad but true. It's about a girl that I once knew.
Alright,
She took my love and ran around with every single guy in town. Hey, hey, whoa, whoa,
let's see, damage 1. Enter equals first triple attack.
this girl would leave me with a broken heart. Listen, people, what I'm telling you. I keep away from
Second triple attack.
I miss her lips and the smile on her face, the touch of her hand and that girl's warm embrace. So if you don't wanna cry like I do, I keep away from a run around Sue. She likes to travel around, yeah. She'll love you, then she'll put you down. Now people, let me put you on.
Shit, come on.
Out with other guys, well, the more the story from the guy who knows. I fell in love and my love still.
Oh,
Ask any fool that she
I think result goes here. And then here I have to put result equals.
she like to travel around, yeah. She'll love you, then she'll put you down. Now people, let me put you on. Sue goes out with other guys, well, the more the story from the guy who knows.
Let's see.
Ask any fool that she ever knew. They say I keep away from a run around Sue. Keep away from that girl now. I don't know what you'll do.
Oh, okay. Shit. Let's see if it's gonna work. First, triple attack damage, and then plus. Am I doing this right? And then second. I'm thinking it's that. So we define triple attack as damage 1, 2, and 3, so that could just be A, B, and C. Alright. So for first one is attack 1 is 2, attack 2 is 4, attack 3 is 3. here it's saying the first triple attack is equal to triple attack and two given variables. Attack 1 is 2, so it's given 2, 4, and 3. Alright, so the result I can't change this. Okay, add this and this, and it won't do anything. It's not gonna work. Alright, define sum is triple attack. Oh, okay. That's what I'm missing. Um, Alright, so define sum, and then the parameters in here has to be alright. A No, it has to be these three right here. Right? Damage 1, 2, and 3. And then give me back the result. The result is the first damage. Let's see if it works. No? Ugh! No. Alright, so this is already shit. Sum equals define sum as equal to triple attack.
Coca-Cola. For the big, for the small, the short, and the tall. Peacemakers. Risk
So
takers. For the optimists, pessimists. For long-distance love. For introverts and extroverts. The thinkers and the doers. For old friends and new.
define triple attack. So that one is actually
Pick up some Coca-Cola at a store near you.
3 variables. Result equals
Crispy chicken inside a Taco Bell burrito. Taco Bell's new crispy chicken burrito with Frank's Red Hot Diablo sauce, a brand new classic. At participating U.S. Taco Bell locations for a limited time only while supplies last. Contact store for participation which varies. Frank's Red Hot is a registered trademark of French's Food Company LLC and used under license by Taco Bell.
I'm getting all confused over here. Seems like shit. triple attack. Damage 1, 2, and 3. So triple attack down there works as first triple attack damage is equal to the triple attack attack 1, 2, and 3. How do I put triple attack plus triple attack? Triple attack plus triple attack. I'm guessing that's it, and then return result. No? Plus plus? No, invalid syntax. Jesus, I'm gonna need help. Should I see the solution? Minus 100 EXP. Alright, so the goal is complete the triple attack function by returning the sum so the result equals sum of result equals sum of damage 1, 2, and 3. No, I have to put first triple attack.
Early one morning while making the rounds, took a shot of cocaine and I shot my woman down. Went right home and I went to bed. I stuck at 11:40.
This ain't gonna work.
Got up next morning and I grabbed that gun. Took a shot of cocaine and away I run. Made a good run, but I run too slow. They overtook me.
Says complete the triple attack function by returning the sum of its parameters.
Jericho Hill. He said, Willie Lee, your name is not Jack Brown. You're the dirty hack that shot that woman down.
Oh.
Yes, my name is Willie Lee. If you've got a warrant, just
I'm saying oh like I understood.
shut her down because she made me slow. I thought I was her daddy, but she had 5 more. When I was arrested, I was dressed in black. They put me on a train and they took me back. Had no friends for to go my bail. They slapped my daddy carcass in that county jail. Got up next morning about 9:30. I spied a sheriff coming down the line. Hot Daddy coughed as he cleared his throat. Said, come on, you dirty hack, into that district court. Into the courtroom a trial began, where I was handled by 12 honest men. Just before the jury started out, I saw that little
I think I'm overthinking it.
about. In about 5 minutes in walked a man, holding the verdict in his right hand. The verdict read in the first degree. I hollered, Lordy, Lordy, have mercy on me. The judge, he smiled as he picked up his pen. 99
Damage
years
1,
for
2, and
sin.
3.
99 years underneath that ground. I can't forget the day I shot that bad bitch down. Come on, you gotta listen unto me. Lay off that whiskey and let that cocaine be. Man, let it
Maybe I put some of triple attack. Shit. Alright, for the second one, its argument positions determine which parameter receives it. At least for now, this first argument goes to the first parameter, the second goes to the second, and so on. Maybe I just put some. I think I already did that. So, triple attack, this is just like this. Defining something with parameters. Now I have to do, okay, what's
Something amazing is happening when power outages strike. Teams are powering through them. That's because CDW Solutions architects are building more resilient IT and electrical infrastructures with Schneider Electric. With EcoCare remote monitoring services and 24/7 support, your organization can do more than keep the lights on. Schneider Electric and CDW
Oh,
make amazing happen. Learn more at CDW.com.
this doesn't add them either. This just okay. Oh,
Yes.
okay. I think I got it. All right. So
Let's just get one of everything.
Everything? Fire everything. The Capital One Saver card is at table 27 and they're earning unlimited 3% cash back.
Yes, chef.
okay, damage one.
Nice.
Had a feeling you'd want 3% cash back on dessert.
Ooh, tiramisu.
Earn unlimited 3% cash back on dining and entertainment with the Capital One Saver card.
Is
Capital
equal
One,
to
what's in your wallet?
fuck. What the fuck? Damage one is equal to the sum of or damage is equal to the sum of first triple attack. Okay. And then damage 2. Damage 2 is equal to... Fuck, man, why did I do that? Sum of second triple attack, second triple attack damage. There is no third damage, right? So the third damage is both of them added together. So damage 3 is equal to fuck. The sum of god damn damage 1 plus damage 2 plus damage 2. Return damage 3. Okay, I need help. I'm stuck. Need help. For half XP. Confirm. Alright. Old Bear Wizard to the rescue. Let's tackle this step by step. First, the error of the system shows def triple attack, damage 1, damage 2, damage 3. Syntax error expected is this. Okay, question 1. What symbol is missing at the end of your definition line to start the function body? You only need triple attack to return the sum of its 3 parameters. Right now, inside your function, you're reassigning damage 1, 2 using sum on names that aren't defined yet in that scope. Calling sum where you don't need it at all. Not just directly using the 3 parameters. Question 2. If the function receives damage 1, damage 2, and damage 3, how could you combine them in a single expression that represents total damage? For example, imagine simpler names like A, B, C. What? So I don't need these. Okay, I'm guessing I'm gonna need something like define this. You can enable Vim mode in what? What did I press?
This is the story of the one. As a maintenance supervisor at a manufacturing facility, he knows keeping the line up and running is a top priority. That's why he chooses Grainger. Because when a drive belt gets damaged, Grainger makes it easy to find the exact specs for the replacement product he needs.
Alright, so defining sum as A and B and C.
Grainger.com or just stop by. Grainger, for the ones who get it done.
Alright.
A lunchbox should be packed with flavor. Pair yours with Lay's classic potato chips for that signature light texture and crispy.
Return
Lay's grilled
result.
potatoes, oil, and salt. Lay's delivers classic taste and an unmistakable crunch that makes lunch feel complete. Best served beside or inside your sandwich. Whatever makes you happy. Lay's. What joy tastes like. Tap the banner to buy now and complete your lunch with Lay's.
I'd like to thank the guy who wrote the song that made my baby fall in love with me.
A plus B plus C. Okay. Okay. What symbol is missing at the end of your def line? The end of here. It's saying semicolon or like the colon, but I have no idea. Syntax error expected. This. Alright, question 2. If the function receives damage 1, damage 2, and damage 3, how could you combine them in a single expression that represents total damage? Result goes A plus B plus C. Alright, so the result is damage 1, damage 2, and damage 3. Return the result. Do I have to do it 3 times? Maybe triple attack. Oh, dude, spending so much time on this one. I gotta look at the solution, I think. Yeah. Fix the missing symbol. Okay. So I don't think I need calling this somewhere you don't need it at all. Okay, so let's delete this. Alright, I think this replaces the sum, right? Okay, reassigning damage 1 to using sum. No, not just directly using the 3 parameters. If the function receives damage 1, 2, and 3, how could you combine them in a single expression that represents total damage? The result equals damage 1 plus damage 2 plus damage 3. Return the result. Okay. Getting damage for 2, 4, and 3. So 3 plus 4 is 7. 9. 9 points of damage dealt. Getting damage for minus 1, 10, and 5. 14 points of damage dealt. I think I finally got it, you guys. Yes! It only took me an hour. Jesus. Alright, I'm gonna keep on going. An hour to get through like 4 lessons. 1, 2, 3, 4. It gets more difficult because you gotta. Intro and variables was pretty easy. Functions, you're actually. Yeah, they were right. You're gonna be slowing down the further you get into here. Hey, they said it's alright. Alright, so let me rethink this so I could try to remember. So this here needed a colon. Now I don't remember that in the other lessons. So I gotta remember this. No. Oh wait, there was. I'm stupid. I need to be more careful. Okay, so over here, multiple parameters. After you read this part, for example, subtract function accept two parameters A and B. Right here it says definition subtract A and B, and then oh goddamn syntax will really slow you down. Damn it! So that was missing. I didn't catch it, so whatever. I made a mistake, so hopefully I'll learn from my mistake next time, and hopefully I'll catch that. Result equals damage 1 plus damage 2 plus damage 3, and then return the result. That's it. I overthought it. Man, I'm sleepy. I have not gone to sleep. I'm probably not gonna go to. What time is it right now? 5:50. Yeah, I'm not even gonna go to sleep. I'm just gonna drink coffee, stay up as long as, cause I got insomnia and my sleep schedule is all fucked up. So I'm just gonna try to stay awake as long as possible, and hopefully fall asleep 10 p.m. or something. 12, 10 or 12. I don't know. I'll try to stay up as long as possible until I'm like really exhausted, and then I have to go to sleep. Anyways, shit, should I keep going? Yeah. Should I stop the stream? That way it could be like 1 hour streams. I don't know. Alright, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna stop right here. And I'm gonna keep going, but I'm just gonna stop it so that way, like on YouTube, it's YouTube and Rumble will have like episodes of like about 1 hour each fucking one, and then I'll just stream again. I'm just gonna change the title and everything, and then restream it. Okay. All right. Thanks for watching, you guys. Thank you for being patient, and hopefully you guys are learning too. Now, if you guys want to get Boot.Dev, you guys could get the subscription, the monthly subscription. I got the yearly one. It cost me like $300+ for it. That's after 25% off or some shit. But you guys could get it monthly. You guys try it out for a month. I think everything is free up to until you get to chapter 8 on Python, the first one, or whichever one you select. You get like, there's a limit for you to do it. But if you do pay for the subscription, yearly or monthly, whatever, you guys get to do this on your cell phone or tablet. You can basically just go to Boot.Dev, and then you could do it on your phone. You could do it on your tablet. You could either follow along with these videos or their own videos on their YouTube channel, and then you guys go there, community YouTube, and just follow along. Or you guys could try it out. I don't know your guys' level of like, if you're completely new and have no idea what this is, and it looks like hieroglyphics for you, then yeah, I would follow along until you get it. Lesson 5, chapter 3. All right, I'm gonna stop streaming. I'm gonna go take a bathroom break. I like this song. Alright, you guys. Alright. I'll be back momentarily, okay? Make sure you subscribe and follow. And then go to the about section for the links to my other channels. Because if you guys are watching this live on Kick and Twitch, you guys won't be able to, like if you guys miss an episode, you guys won't be able to see it because they, after a certain amount of time, I think it's a week, they delete it. Or 2 weeks. They delete it off of Kick and Twitch. And the only way you guys could watch it is on Rumble or YouTube. And just search Teleco760. You'll be able to find me. Or go to the links in the back section. Alright. I'll be back, you guys. Oh, nope, wrong one because I'm ending the stream, right?